Here it is, February 5th, 2010, at home, Mom and Mike. Say hi. Okay, so we're going to go outside and check out the snow, because it is really coming down now, and it's supposed to snow all the way until like tomorrow at 6 a.m. Then we're supposed to get like another 6 inches or so. So they're estimating somewhere around 2 feet. And that's the most this area has seen in a long time. So right now it is, like I said, Friday, February 5th, 2010. It's 5 p.m. and this is what we got right now. See, not too much on the ground, but obviously visibility is poor. So I'm going to take another video tomorrow morning so you can see the difference. Bye.